This is pretty much just a bit of a kōrero to tangaro. So it goes like this. Tangaro te takutai, tangaro te waitai, tangaro te uheke, tangaro o te autuke. Tēnei mātou ngā panonga o io ngā mano, e tuku whakamoe te atu ki tō ingoa tapu e kīnei, ko tangaroa, kia koe kua manakitia mai tātou, mai te timatanga o tērā tau. Kua pahure e taina atu ki tēnei o ngā wā, tukuna mai te koro ai manakitanga ki runga tātou, i roto i tēnei o ngā rā mutunga, manakitia mai tātou ki runga i te wai, mai ero ngā huatanga e kīnei, tapatapa urana te kakao o te hoi, e hoa atu i te rere i Parengarenga, maranga mai ana ko te pā kihiroa, kei te hinga, ko hoapu, ka puta, ka au, ka awatea, whanno, hara mai te tōki, haumie, huie, tai ki e. Ko te Moana ko au, ko te Moana. The sea is us, and we are the sea. Thank you.
A group of Kaitaia students have come up with an innovative plan to breathe new life into their community. Tasty Tio is a business run by students at Parengarenga Harbour, located around an hour and a half north of Kaitaia. With a little help from Moana, New Zealand and Taiao Earthcare, a nationwide sustainable enterprise training organisation, the students began growing oysters in their own backyard.
So we actually found that oysters are the most sustainable aquaculture out there because they actually filter the surrounding water and the racks provide an artificial reef for young wildlife.
Fundamentals like, let's say you have an oyster, what's the key parts inside of it that make it nutritious and healthy for the body, and how you can pretty much reuse it and what it's made out of, like calcium.
Tasty Tio goes beyond getting kids out of the classroom and simply growing oysters. It's about breathing life into the region and helping the next generation learn key skills that will help them later in life.
Students who were taking school very cruisy start to go, no, I'm going to be at a wānanga, I'm going to work till 11 o'clock at night, I'm going to make sure I get all my work done and be really focused. And it's like, this is a different guy who started a while back. This is really cool. You know, it's like getting up at 4 a.m. in the morning, running out the door to jump in my wagon to come up here at 4 a.m. for a 17-year-old teenage boy. I didn't have to knock on the door. They were ready on a Saturday morning. You know, it's like... They didn't start the year so enthusiastic, but when they got out here and got oyster farming, they were just totally like, this is our oyster farm.
They all end up getting enterprise qualifications in NCEA, so that's level 2 and level 3, and they can get university entrance out of the course that we do. They also get unit standards in oyster farming.
They walk home and they walk in their doors, and you see them when you drop them off. They walk in proud. They walk in standing really tall. We'd been out for 12, 14 hours. They got back, the neighbours, rolled out their door, and they go, oh, where you guys been? And the boys go, oh, we were just up at the farm. And they go, oh, you oyster farm up there, eh? And they go, yeah, and these other guys, they go, mean, bro.
After 2 years of hard work on the water and in the classroom, there was no question which part the Tasty Tio team enjoyed most.
Favourite part? Oh, harvest. Yeah, harvesting. It's been fun working with everyone else. You got Moana NZ, all of their group, or their oyster crew, coming in helping us out. That was made things much easier.
Later on, when I'm a little bit older, I might want to run my own oyster farm business and give back to what my community has given to me and help youth.
Because there's plenty of young people around inside the area that actually are hands-on, but they follow different types of aspirations or pathways that may not be beneficial to themselves, their families, and maybe the environment. But yeah, it's good to lend a helping hand, just like how Papatao has done for us, and it's good to give back.